In 5 minutes, you can make your salmon taste like $1,000,000 with this simple salmon seasoning. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of my family's favorite recipes and ways to make them taste great, like this salmon seasoning. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I can cook together a couple times a week. No matter how you cook it, salmon is going to take on the flavors of the seasonings that you put in it, and I love this mix in particular because it uses pantry staples, simple seasonings, and it makes your salmon taste great. Let me show you what goes in it as I mix it in one big bowl. I'm adding 1/4 cup of granulated onion, also 1/4 cup of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of dried oregano, 1/4 cup of paprika, a tablespoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to take a spoon and mix everything around. Now, you always want to season your salmon when it's raw, no matter how you're cooking it. So I recommend taking a paper towel and patting your salmon dry and then sprinkling the seasoning right over the top. As you can see, this makes a big batch because that's okay, it lasts like 6 months. However, if you just want a smaller batch for about 1 pound of salmon, I'll leave the amounts in the description box for you. I like to use about a teaspoon of seasoning per 4 ounces of salmon fillet. So you'd use a little bit more than a tablespoon for about a whole pound. This is totally up to you. It just gives it so much flavor. And again, it's not spicy, just delicious. Make sure to check this next video to cook your salmon to perfection. See you next time.